Hey everyone, I'm Daven Ghandi, an immigration attorney helping professionals like you move forward with your careers and to stay in the United States even when the H1B lottery doesn't go your way. The H1B lottery is stressful, it's unpredictable, and even when you do everything right, it may not go your way. Trust me, I know because I've been in the same position as I went through the H1B process many years ago. But here's the good news. Not being selected doesn't necessarily mean that it's the end of the road for you. In today's video, I'll share 6 visa alternatives that could keep you employed in the United States and even lead to long-term status. Let's get into it. First, let's just talk about the lottery itself. With about 85,000 visas available and over 300,000 applicants each year, the chances of being selected is about 1 in 4. So that means a majority of you are going to be left wondering, what now? If you're on an F1 international student visa, your time in the United States is limited. This is why it's so important that you know what your options are if you are not selected. A lot of times I have clients come to me at the very last minute because they weren't selected in the lottery. This gives them limited amount of time to plan ahead to explore other visa alternatives. This is why this video matters, because these 6 visa options may be exactly what you need. First, let's talk about the STEM OPT extension. Now, what the OPT is that it's a status that allows you to work in the United States after completion of your degree. For most of us, the OPT is up to 12 months. However, for some of you who are in the STEM field, you could potentially apply for the STEM OPT, which gives you an additional 24 months. To qualify, your degree must be in the STEM field and your employer must be enrolled in the E-Verify system. The reason why the STEM OPT extension is great is because it gives you 2 additional chances of being selected in the lottery every year. Next, if you're an individual who is at the top of your field and possess extraordinary ability, then you can petition for the O1 visa. The O1 visa can be petitioned through an agent or an employer. And I know saying extraordinary ability could be intimidating. However, it is not as complicated as it seems. If you've got publications, awards, patents, advanced degrees, or a strong resume in your field, you might qualify. We've helped engineers, data scientists, researchers, and even startup founders build strong O1 cases. This one takes work, but if you're great at what you do, then the O1 could be a possibility. If you are a citizen of Mexico or Canada, you might qualify for the TN visa, or what used to be under NAFTA, but is now the USMCA. The TN visa covers up to 60 professions. So if your occupation is on the list, and these include engineers, lawyers, scientists, accountants, then you could potentially qualify. And the best part is that there is no lottery, no annual cap. You can apply directly at the border or the consulate. This is a great option because it's fast and efficient. If you're an Australian citizen, this visa is specifically for you, the E3 visa. The E3 visa must be a specialty occupation similar to the H1B. There is no lottery and it's renewable indefinitely. Next, again, this is also a country-specific visa. The H1B1 is specific to individuals from Chile or Singapore. Again, it's similar to the H1B. There is no lottery, easier processing, and it's available all year round. This is another great backup that many people tend to overlook. Now, last but not least, the L1 visa, or the intra-company transfer visa, is one of the best alternatives to the H1B. I always recommend this as a way to say that even if you do need to leave the United States, it doesn't mean that all possibilities to return does not exist. The L1 visa is a great option for individuals who have worked abroad in a multinational company that has a subsidiary in the United States. If your company has offices outside of the United States, you could seek a transfer abroad for a year and then come back to the United States under the L1A, which is specific to managers, or the L1B as an employee with specialized knowledge. This is a great option for individuals in consulting or tech firms. If you are an employer watching this, don't wait until the H1B denials come through, or if your employee is not selected in the lottery. Explore these strategies today. we work with companies all over the United States to create a visa roadmap for foreign hires. And if you are a foreign national in the United States exploring visa options, reach out to us and book a consultation. We will be happy to review your options with you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's feeling stuck right now. They'll thank you later.